I'm humble, but at the same time, I'm pretty confident that I can sell their home, and I'm very candid with them.
Good.
In order to sell your house, you need to do these things.
And a lot of times it is, they need to do some paint, do declutter, right? I mean,
That's exactly right. So it's not as costly. It's just sometimes it's laborious work. Painting, doing touch-ups, cleaning out closets, getting rid of knickknacks, all that stuff. And this is what I say to them: "You're gonna move, right? Right?" And they're like, "Yeah." And I'm like, "Okay, let's start packing.
Yeah, get a jump start
Get
on it.
ready. Just pack it up. You're not going to be using the knickknacks anymore. Get everything off the shelves. Let's start packing your house. You're moving." And they're like, "Yep, we're moving." And so then we get them moving, and we get the house what I call kind of a benign look. It's when you walk in, everything, you see space and you see area, and it helps sell a house.
Yeah.
It works.